Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Motors&Me. In this video I will show you how you can replace the battery in your Mark IV Mondeo 1.8tdci. But before we do that, there is something you should know. While you replace the battery, it is better to keep it on a power source, because if you don't, after you replace the battery you might experience some difficulties. Like, for instance, the radio might not work, and you would have to insert a code to get it back running. So it is probably better to do this at a service station. But if that doesn't bother you and you're a cheapskate like me, this is how you do it. So first we'll need to remove this air filter housing. While it probably is possible to remove the battery without removing this, but it makes things a hell of a lot easier. Okay, so first let's remove the mass airflow sensor, power cable, and then let's remove this air intake line. Okay, that's out of the way. And now the housing. There we go. And now, as you can see, we have a lot more free space. Now I am a little bit curious about that oil over there. The car had an oil leak about a year ago because of a loose clamp over there, but I don't know. What is that? What the? Okay. Okay, and to access the battery, we will need to remove this cover. That is held in by clips on this side and on that side. There we go. Then we'll need to disconnect the minus cable, and yes, I am using garden gloves to work on a car. Yeah. There we go. Then for safety, you should insulate this minus cable end. That should do it. Okay, then let's disconnect the plus cable. And then down here there is a small piece of metal that holds the battery in place. Remove that too. There we go. And then the battery should come right out. And it does. There we go. Well, yeah, this design is not the practical one, especially when you have to replace the battery. I still prefer the old school way where the battery sits right here, you just unplug the cables and basically that's it. This is a bit of a hassle, but oh well. Anyways, so here we have the new battery. Remove the minus cable from the old battery and attach it to the new one. And this is one of the reasons why you should insulate this end. When you put the negative cable on, you can accidentally touch the positive, and that can cause a bit of sparking. Okay, new battery in. Oh, come on. Ah, there we go. Oh, don't tell me it doesn't fit. Oh, it does. Nice. Here we go. Then let's fix the battery in place. And now let's attach the positive cable. Then let's remove the tape. And screw it back on. And that should do it. Now let's reattach this cover. Like so. There you go. Now the last part, which I think is going to be the most difficult one, the air filter housing. Okay. Oh, don't forget to take out the mass airflow sensor cable. Stay. Thank you. Okay. Or are you stuck? Okay, you're stuck. Is it in? It is. That wasn't so hard. Now let's reconnect this. And that's it. Okay, let's see if everything works. Well, we have power. All right, great. Everything seems to be working. The clock, of course, will show you 12 o'clock because it's been reset. Okay, and that's how you can replace the battery on a Mark IV Mondeo. I hope this one will last me a bit more than 3 years. We'll see. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will be seeing you next time. Bye-bye.